Applestosen. It's Dr. Bob here with another health and vitality tip of the week. In 30 years of practice, we've seen a lot of conditions or problems with the body not functioning better improve tremendously with proper alignment, better nerve supply, and less stresses on the body. Today we're talking about infertility. We've probably had dozens of patients over the years that have done just about everything from in vitro to all different types of medications to every technique out there to try and get pregnant. But when they actually got into chiropractic care, it set up an environment for their body to heal and the body to accept the pregnancy, and we're able to get pregnant. So worst thing you want to do is have a patient walk in and say, "Hey doc, you got me pregnant." Well, when they say that, what they mean is that by proper alignment and decreased nerve supply on the lower lumbar area can affect the reproductive organs. So by making adjustments to the area allows the body to function like it's supposed to. It allows the body to heal. So if you look at it, there's really three main things that we look at. First off, if the body is not out of alignment, if the hips are not, a problem, if there's no cranial problems with the sphenoid bone and the spine is in proper alignment and proper functioning and moving, it's probably not going to make a difference because the body is functioning like it's supposed to. It is in proper alignment. If the body is out of alignment, then the best thing to do is get the body back into alignment so that the nerve supply from the brain to the body to the reproductive organs can work like it's supposed to. So one of the most common things we see is an imbalance of the pelvis. Anything more than 7 millimeters can create stress on the nerves in the lower back. These can actually create things like disc problems, sciatica, but those nerves also go to the reproductive organs. So making sure that our spine is in proper alignment is key. So you got to look at, get a spinal checkup to make sure that the spine is in proper balance. If it is not out of alignment, then there might be other factors. The other thing is looking at making an adjustment to the spine reduces stress on what's called the sympathetic nervous system. That's your fight or flight. So if you're under a constant amount of stress and it keeps firing off over and over again, your body is not prepared to get pregnant. It's prepared to be stressed and to run away from something or beat it up. The parasympathetic nervous system, which is the nerve supply to the organs to work properly, can be reset and rebalanced with proper adjustments and alignment, and all of a sudden the fight or flight calms down, the body has a better nerve supply, and the body starts to heal like it's supposed to. And then women find out that they actually are pregnant. Typically, it's a few months is the period of time for the body to heal and go through this healing cycle. So when we work with patients, we tell them if there's something out of alignment, this could be affecting these organ systems, can be affecting the body. We want to reduce the reduce stresses on you chemically, reduce stresses on you mentally, emotionally, and reduce stresses on you neurologically. So we tell patients, let's get you in alignment, send you off on a nice little retreat with your husband, and reduce the stresses, get away from it all, set up an environment, and it's amazing how our body has a better chance to function as needed. So chiropractic is not about treating symptoms, it's not about treating fertility, it's about allowing the body to function at peak performance. So your innate intelligence, which runs the body, has a 100% chance of allowing you to heal and live a fully vitalized life. So this is another health and vitality tip from Dr. Bob. Have an awesome rest of your day, and Applestosen.